My dear friend, today I invite you to walk with awareness, not only with your feet upon the earth, but with your whole being present in this moment. Walking meditation is a gentle path. It is simple and yet very deep. It teaches us how to live each step of life with clarity, kindness, and freedom. When we walk without awareness, the body moves, but the mind travels elsewhere. The mind runs into the past, carrying regret and sorrow, or it runs into the future, carrying worry and desire. The body is here, but the heart is far away. Walking meditation brings the heart back home. In walking meditation, there is nowhere to go. There is nothing to achieve. There is no destination waiting at the end of the path. Each step itself is the destination. Each step is complete. As you begin, simply stand still. Feel the contact between your feet and the ground. The earth supports you without effort. It has always supported you. Notice this support and allow gratitude to arise gently. Now begin to walk slowly. Not too slow, not too fast. Walk in a way that feels natural and kind to the body. Let your steps be soft. Let your movements be calm. As you lift one foot, know that you are lifting. As you place it down, know that you are placing it down. There is no need to name the movement, just know it directly. Awareness itself is enough. Your breath flows naturally as you walk. There is no need to control it. Simply allow the breath to come and go. The body knows how to breathe. Trust this wisdom. With each step you arrive. You arrive in the body. You arrive in the present moment. You arrive in your own life. Walking meditation teaches us impermanence. Each step appears and then it disappears. Each moment arises and then it fades away. Nothing stays the same. Even the ground beneath your feet is changing slowly and silently. When you truly feel this, attachment begins to soften. You see that holding tightly brings suffering. You see that letting go brings peace. The feet move forward and the past is released naturally. Sometimes thoughts will appear. Memories may arise. Plans may form. This is not a problem. Thoughts are like clouds passing through the sky. Do not fight them. Do not follow them. Simply return to the feeling of walking. Return to the touch of the feet on the earth. Again and again, gently and patiently. This returning is the practice. Noticing that the mind has wandered is already mindfulness. Coming back without judgment is compassion. Walking meditation is not separate from daily life. It is a mirror of how we live. If we rush our steps, we rush our days. If we walk with tension, we live with tension. If we walk with kindness, we live with kindness. As you walk, you may notice sensations: warmth, coolness, pressure, lightness. Each sensation comes and goes. Do not cling to pleasant feelings. Do not resist unpleasant ones. This is the middle path, neither grasping nor rejecting, neither indulging nor suppressing. Just knowing what is present as it is. Walking meditation teaches patience. The path unfolds step by step. Life unfolds the same way. There is no need to hurry. There is no need to compare. Each person walks their own path. Each step carries its own lessons. When you understand this, compassion grows naturally. As you walk, you may silently wish well for yourself. May I walk in peace. May I be free from suffering. May I learn to let go. Then gently extend this wish to others, to those you love, to those you feel distant from, to those who are suffering. May all beings walk in peace. Compassion is not something we force. It arises when the heart is present. Walking meditation opens the heart through simplicity. Notice how the body balances itself with each step. One foot lifts, the other supports. Movement and stillness exist together. Life is the same. Joy and sorrow walk side by side. When we accept this, suffering loosens its grip. We stop demanding that life be only pleasant. We begin to trust its natural flow. Walking meditation can be practiced anywhere, on a forest path, on a quiet road, in a garden, even inside a room. What matters is not the place. What matters is awareness. As you continue walking, feel how the body is alive. This body is precious. It is the vessel for awakening. It will not last forever. Knowing this brings urgency without fear. Each step becomes an act of care, an act of respect for this fragile life. Sometimes you may feel restless, sometimes calm, sometimes tired, sometimes clear. Allow all of this. Do not demand a special experience. Peace grows quietly like a tree. It does not announce itself. Walking meditation shows us freedom. Freedom does not come from changing the world. It comes from understanding the mind. When the mind stops clinging, the heart is free. You are not walking to escape your problems. You are walking to meet them with wisdom. With each step, you learn to face life directly. If sadness arises, walk with sadness. If joy arises, walk with joy. Do not push anything away. Do not hold anything too tightly. This gentle balance is the teaching. As time passes, walking meditation becomes effortless. The boundary between walking and living dissolves. Every movement becomes a meditation. Every moment becomes a teacher. Even standing still, you are walking on the path. Even lying down, awareness continues. Remember, awakening is not somewhere else. It is here. It is now. It is in this step. My dear friend, walk gently through this world. Leave light footprints behind you. May your steps be guided by wisdom. May your heart be guided by compassion. May your path be guided by the middle way. Namo Buddhaya.